Welcome back. Today we're going to be watching Brian do the Macromolecules lab. If you are an online student, go ahead and watch him as you would your lab partner. Then you can use his results to fill out the lab.
We're going to start by taking 2 mLs of solution A with our pipette. Measure, make sure it is in line. And we pipette into the first tube of each grouping.
So 4 tubes for solution A. We're moving on to solution B, and we're going to do the same thing. 2 mL of solution B in each of 4 test tubes. Continuing on with solution C, we're doing the same thing, 2 milliliters per test tube.
All right. So in these tests, we have solution A, B, C, and D from the previous samples we just put in. We're going to be running tests on each one of these tubes. So this row right here is going to receive all Benedict's test. This row right here is going to do iodine test. This row right here is going to do Biuret's test. And this row right here is going to do Sudan test. Taking our Benedict solution, we're going to put 2 mLs in each one of these. Before we place them in, make sure you add a label so you know which one is running the test. Shake and note for any changes in color or precipitation, which means concentration of solutes at the bottom.
It's only been a minute or two, but we already see a color change in one of the vials.
For this next test, we're going to be testing for presence of starches. Be sure to not get this on your clothes or hands as it will stain. We're going to add about 2 drops to each one of these vials right here. After adding the iodine, we check to see for presence of color change. In A2 here, there was no color change up here. In B2, it does not appear there was a color change. In C2, we see there is a dark color change. In D2, the drop did not separate.
Oh, really? Wait, let me see. Let me try and focus on it.
Test.
This is the Biuret's one?
Yep. This is testing for amino acids. We're going to add 2 mLs to each one of these. Again, swirl. We're looking for color change. This will test for presence or absence of amino acids.
So this one's B.
This is B. This is C. And D. In our final test, we're going to be adding a couple drops of Sudan 3 into each of the vials. Note for any change in color.